I got this Magsafe phone holder for my van because I needed something that was easy to use, something that was sturdy, and something that I could use easily in both horizontal and vertical. It comes with a extra adhesive that you can use on your dashboard if that's how you want to use it. If you have a leathery kind of dash or it's not smooth in any way, you can put this on first and then attach that. I have a smooth dashboard. You can also put this on your windshield. I chose not to do that, but it comes with all of the necessary things to do that. It comes also, of course, with the manual, which I've read 5 times so far. It also comes with cleaning wipes and a dry wipe as well to go with it. It comes also with this magnet. If you don't have a magnet on the back of your phone, on your phone case, then you can just attach that on there. I have the magnet on my phone already, so it's just a question of putting it on there. It's very, very sturdy. You can easily switch it from vertical to horizontal just by turning it. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. It's very sturdy. That's what I'm looking for, something that's really sturdy. So I have to take my dog out. So anyway, yes.